Hi everyone! You are watching the How to Buy Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina and today we're going to talk about integrating Criipto into your application. Criipto is a Copenhagen-based company specializing in secure user authentication and digital signature solutions using electronic identities. Their services allows businesses to easily integrate advanced digital identity technologies into their services. Integrating Criipto's EAD simplifies their onboarding process, allowing customers to access financial services more quickly and easily. Our software engineering team has prepared a handy guide that explains how to smoothly integrate Criipto into your application, covering basic instructions on configuration, signature orders, support, and other essential processes. Dive in and transform your financial management.